to math class today. In today's class, we are going to be checking the relationship between exponents and logarithms, or indices and logarithms. You should be able to convert indices to logarithms and logarithms to indices, and you should be able to apply them. This is just the revision on what you've learned in your O-level mathematics. Let's quickly check it. When we're talking about indices, or we talk about any number in index form, okay? Take for example, I have, okay? Okay? When we're talking about indices, take for example, you have 3 raised to the power of 2. It can be expanded as 3 times itself in 2 places, which will give us 9. When I have 3 raised to the power of 4, it means 3 multiply itself in 4 places, which is 81. Anytime you have any expression in the form b raised to power p to give you a, the b here is always called the base number, or you simply call it base. And the p on the top is referred to as power, or you call it index or exponent. And this a is called argument. So to translate indices to logarithms, we normally write log of a to base b equals power. Log of a base b equals power. Meaning that if I want to translate this, I can allow the base to carry its power and equal to my argument. This base will carry the power b raised to power the power, and it will give me the argument. So that's the simple rule for converting logarithm to indices. Any base, let it carry the answer and equate it. Let it carry the answer, which is the power, and equate it to the log itself. Take for example, if I have log 81 base 3 equals to 4. If I want to convert this to indices, let the base, which is 3, carries the 4. That will be 3 raised to power 4 equals to 81. If I have log a b equals to b, b will go and carry p and equals to a. That's how to do that. Let's apply this. Let's quickly apply it. Here are some questions for you to do. You can pause the video and give it a shot. Yes. If you want to see the answer at the end of the class or in our next episode, you can check whether you are right or wrong. But if you can't solve this question, let me just take you through a few of them. I will just do two questions from each of them, and I will allow you to do the rest. Okay? So let me just take this question into my whiteboard and see what I can do with them. Just copy number 1 to 5. I'll just do 2. Okay, maybe I should pick 6 with it so that you guys can see how I'm going to apply this. Let me dump them here on my whiteboard, and let's see. I'll just do 2, then you guys will practice the rest. Let's quickly give it a shot and see what we can do with this question. You can pause it, try it out. For question number 1, let me just do, I'll do C and G. Okay, the question asks me to convert from exponential form to logarithmic. So I have 3 minus 5 raised to power minus 5 over 1 over 243. So mind you, this is my base and this is my answer. I will just have log 1 over this, the base still remain base and equals the power. Simple. Let the base come to the base of the logarithms. Let your answer come to the log answer to the base equals to the power. Log answer to the base equals to the power. Let me try it for G. For question G, log, what is my base? What is my answer? Log C, my base is A equals to B. That's for that. Okay, somebody asked me to do D. Let me quickly do D. For me to do D there to logarithms, I will say log answer. What is our answer here? 1 over 1240. What is the base? 2. He said equals to -10. That's it, which is the power. Very simple and straightforward. Log answer to the base equals to the power. That's how to change indices to logarithms. Let's go on to number 2. I will just do question D here and H. The question asks me to convert logarithmic form to exponential. Let the base carry the answer and equal it to the log. So for this one, log 4 base 16 equals half will be 16 raised to power half equals to 4. Simple. For log 5 base x equals to y, it will be, let me write out the question first, 5x equals to y. So the x, which is the base, carry the answer. It will give me x raised to power y equals to 5. And that's it. Please try it out. Yes, it looks simple when I'm doing it. Let's go to question 3. Question 3, I just do this C and D. Log x base 4 equals to 0. The question asks me to solve for x. So I will convert the logarithm to indices. Let 4 carry the base, the answer. 4 raised to power 0 equals to x. And we know in the indices rule, any non-zero digit raised to power 0 is 1. So x equals to 1. That's it. For this guy, let the base carry the answer and equate it to what you have there. That should be x raised to power 2 equals to 47. I can express it as x squared is equal to 7 squared. When the power are equal in one of the laws we've done, the base will be equal. Please kindly check our videos on law of indices, elementary, if you have not checked. So that's answer to that. See the answer to that here, and we can quickly check for the next one, question number 4. Let's quickly check this. Let's check this. I will just do 2 here. Because I say find the value. Find the value. Let me do, okay, I will do B. To do B, let me use another marker. To do that B, I'm going to just say let that logarithm equals to something, and I'll find that thing. So I can say log 36 equals to x. 6x is equal to 36. Thank you. That's it. Log x cubed 3 equals to that. Let me quickly do that one as my last question. Log x raised to power 3. Let me see what is there. Okay. And we have x under. Alright. To do this, I can simply equate it to something. Maybe let me equate it to p. So I have x raised to power p is equal to x raised to power 3. So when the base are equal, the power are equal. So p is equal to 3. So please feel free to solve this question. Just try it out. In the next class, I will show you the answer to this. Thank you for watching this episode. See you next class. Bye.